first thing you need to do is you need to go to aplusstudents.com. You need to go to the website. Once you're on the website, you need to select math as your subject. This is a grade 10 maths lesson, grade 10s, and the name of the topic is Congruent Triangles. Let me give you the chapter number. Chapter number 2, lesson number 4, and the name of the lesson is we need to identify side property, side angle side property, angle side angle, and angle side theorem, right? Which property would be applied to the given questions? Okay, so let's start off with the questions. The first question that is given to us is which rule identifies that these two given triangles are congruent? Okay, let's see. If this is the diagram that's given to us, and they're asking us which rule will identify. The rules are side angle side, angle, and angle, and side, right? In this particular question, they're telling us the angle, this angle given is given to us, that is GFB is equals to the angle B, F, and C, right? One pair of angle is given to us. Okay. Apart from that, we know that there is one common side. BF is the common side. Agreed? So the first triangle we can say BF, the side is common to BF. This is a common side. In order to apply any one of the properties out of these three properties, that is side, and side, we don't have three sides given, therefore we cannot apply. Side angle side, we have one side and one angle, we don't have the third side, we cannot second side, it cannot be applied. Do we have angle side angle? Do we have two angles? We have only one angle and one side, we cannot apply this property, right? And the last one is angle side, we only have one angle and one side, this cannot be applied. So the answer for this question is the triangle GFB and the triangle BFC cannot be proven to be congruent, because out of the four theorems that we have, we cannot apply any theorem onto this question, right? Agreed? Because we only had one side and one angle given to us. In order to prove the theorem, either we have three sides, two sides, one angle, or two angles and one side, right? That was not given to us. So we can say that this information provided is not enough to prove that these two triangles are congruent to each other. For the next one, let's see. Question number 2. Just a moment, please. In question number 2, they're telling us this information has been given to us. This is our question number 2. Let's see which property can be applied over here. What they are telling us is angles are given to us. They are saying the angle, let's take K, N, K, M is equals to Q, P, and S. These two angles are same. The next angle is K, M, N is equals to PQS. Okay. And the last angle is, that is KNM can be equals to, or it is equals to P, S and Q, right? What they are telling us is the three angles are exactly the same, right? But what they are not telling us is whether the lengths are equal or not. The lengths could be larger in ratio. Let's suppose in case of congruent, we know that congruent means exactly same. That means same length. They should have same length and same angles. But in this case, only the ratio of the angles were given to us. That means the four properties, side, side, side cannot be applied. Three angles are given. Side, angle, side cannot be applied because two sides are not given to us. Angle, side, angle cannot be applied because we don't have a side given to us. And angle, angle, side cannot be applied because we don't have a side. So for this particular question, we can say triangle NKM and triangle SPQ has insufficient information to prove them to be congruent. So what we learned over here is that in order to prove any two triangles to be congruent, at least one of the sides ratio has to be given to us. Okay? We did not have any side given to us. Okay. Which rule explains why these triangles are congruent? Let's say. For question number 3, it says, the information that is provided to us in this is that this angle equals to this angle. We can say KJM angle would be equals to J M and N, right? Two angles are equal given. First angle is given to us. Let's look at the second angle. This angle is given equal to this angle. We have a ratio of another angle that is exactly the same. That means KMJ, KMJ, the angle KMJ equals to MJ and N. We have two angles given which are equal to us, right? Do we have a ratio of a side? Can we find a side ratio over here? We have one common side, right? We can say JM is the common side. Agreed? So we can say JM is the common side. That means we have a ratio of a side as well. We agree? So we can say we have angle, side, angle theorem to prove they are congruent. Agreed? Angle, side, angle would be given to us. Agreed? Let's have a look at another example. Do we have any questions up till now? Please do let me know so that we would discuss those first before moving on to the next question. Okay. I'll start up with the next question. If there is any questions, kindly write it down. Okay. I'll answer those. For question number 4, it says, which rule explains the triangles are congruent? So let's have a look. Do we have common angles? Yes, we do. What they are saying is that this angle is equals to this angle, right? X WY is equals to Y W and Z. Common angle, same equal angles. Then we have the next pair of angles, that is these two angles are same, that is XYW is an equal angle to WYZ. They both are equal angles, right? So we have the ratio given of two angles and we have one common side. Agreed? This is the WY is the common side. We can say WY is the common side. Okay. Now we have a question over here. In question number 3, we said angle, side, angle. Agreed? But in question number 4, let's see the possibilities. Side, 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 angle, side. There were 4 theorems, right? Angle, side, angle. And we have angle, angle, side, right? So we need to see out of these 4, which one is the common, right? We cannot have the first side because 3 sides are not given. 2 sides are not given. Angle, angle, side is applied only when 2 angles are given and 1 angle is on the common side. Okay. Angle, angle, side would be applied only when we have 1 angle on the common side. If we have two angles on the common side, right? So we say angle side angle is applied. Angle side angle theorem will prove triangle XYW and triangle YWZ are congruent. Okay, do we agree? Let's have a look at another example. So another example says, which rule explains that these two triangles are congruent? Question number 5. In question number 5, it says, if these two triangles were given to us, we know that this angle equals to this angle. What we can see over here is three angles are given to us. Agreed? So we say VTU, the angle is equals to SPQ. Agreed? This angle was equals to this angle. The second angle is this, was equals to this angle. So we say TUV was equals to SQ and P. Okay, just a moment. Configure. Just a moment. I'll re-explain. Let me complete this question. I'll go back to that, right? And the third angle given is this angle. Thank you for letting me know after this question, okay? Let me complete this. In this case, TVU was equals to QSP, right? So three angles are given to us. Side, side, side cannot be used. Side, angle, side, no two sides are given. And either angle, side, angle, we don't know one side, so we cannot use this also, right? Or we don't know, so we cannot use that side. So we can say the information, with the information provided, I'm so sorry, what, just a moment please, we cannot prove the congruency of the two triangles because a side ratio is missing. Side equality, side equality is not given. That means they did not tell us which two sides were equal. Okay. Okay. I'll do again. SA. For the next question, I'm doing a question that shows us angle, side, angle. Okay. Question number 6 says, if this is the information that has been given to us, this is our question number 6. What we can say is we have a common side, agreed, and the common angles are on the given common side. This was the angle given to us. This is given to us. So can we say that we have a common side, that is WY is the common side. That means in both the triangles, WY will have the same length, right? Do we agree? In the triangle XYW and in the triangle WY and Z, in both the triangles, the length WY is equal. Okay, it's a common side. That means the length is equal for both the triangles. Then we have the angle XWY is equals to the angle YWZ, and the next one is this angle equals to this angle. So can we say XYW should be equals to WYZ? So what is given information to us? Two angles are given to us and one side is given to us, right? We need to remember that the angles have to be on the common side. Angles common side. Do we have the angles on the common side? Yes, we do. Because one angle was this on the common side and the second angle was this on the common side. Agreed? That means if we want to draw this part, if this was the angle and we extend the line over here, sorry, if we extend this line at this angle and we increase, we extend and when we increase, they intersect at point Z. Agreed? For the common length again, if we extend the line once more from point W, we make the extended line on this point and we make the same angle and we extend the line. That means they are intersecting at point X. That means these two images are reflection of each other, inverted images of each other. This shape will be exactly same as this shape because two angles and the common side is same. So we say which property would be applied? Angle side angle theorem will be used to prove this. Cognify, do we agree? Cognify, do we agree on this? Okay, let's move on to the next question. If there is still concerns, do let me know. We'll do more examples. Okay, question number 7 says, if this is the given question, question number 7, okay? In this question, what we can see is the length of this side is given as equal to the length of this side, right? So what I can do is I can mark the length of B and C and A and F to be equal. The length of B and C is equals to AF. One common side is given to us, right? We have an angle that is given to us. This angle equals to this angle, right? So can we say the angle ABC would be equal to the angle AFC, right? That means one length and one angle is given to us. Do we see any other common angle or common side? Yes, we do see a common side, right? That is AC. Agreed? That means AC is also given to us. That is the common side. So which property should be applied? Side, 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 side angle, side, or angle, side, angle, or angle, angle, side. Okay. So which of these properties would you want to apply? Can I be excused for 20 seconds? Just think about it. I'll just come back. Okay. Thank you. Yes. So we have the four properties over here, right? So we can say side, 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 side angle, side. Can I have an answer? Can I have an answer from you? We know that three sides are not given to us, right? So we can say that side, side, side cannot be applied because two sides were given and one angle was given to us, right? Two sides were given and one angle. Therefore, two angle one side, this cannot be applied. What is left? Side angle side theorem will prove that these are congruent triangles. Agreed? Do we agree on this? Okay, thank you. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Let's look at another example. Which rule explains that these two given triangles are congruent to each other? Okay, let's see. Question number 8. In question number 8, this is the given information. This would be our question number 8. Okay. Okay, let's see. What are the common sides? Do we have any common side? Yes, we do have. This was N. I'll label the common side. Kj is common to Pn, right? Because they have one dash over them. So we can say Jk is equals to Pn in length. They both have the same length. And then we have two angles on the same side, right? So can we say this angle would be equals to this angle? Can we say Kjn was equals to PNQ? Agreed? And what is the other angle? And then we have See, I told you, if we have both the angles on the common side, both the angles on the common side, then it is ASA, right? Okay, for the next angle, we can say we have angle P on the line PN, angle K on the line KJ, right? So we can say JKM, right? And QPN. We have the properties side, 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 angle, side, angle, and angle, angle, side. We cannot apply side, side, side because three sides are not given. We cannot apply side, angle, side because two sides are not given. Agreed? But we can think about applying either of the last two properties. Why? Because in the last two properties, both of these properties have two angles. ASA and AAS will have two angles. But I told you that if the angles are on the common side, if both angles are on the common side, then we say that we apply angle side angle theorem to prove the congruency of these two triangles. Okay? Because we can see over here the angle J and angle K, right? The angle J and angle K, both of these angles are on the common side. That is JK and PN. They are exactly the same. If the angle would have been given this, then we will go for angle angle side property. Okay. Question number 9. Let's look at another example. Okay. For the next question, it says, which rule explains why these triangles are congruent or not? Okay. We are looking at both the options, if whether they are congruent or not. Next question says, if this is the information that has been provided to us, question number 9. In question number 9, what it says is that the length of this and this is given to us. QU is equals to QT. One length is given to us, right? Do we have any other information? We know that whenever two angles are intersecting, two lines are intersecting each other, right? Two lines are intersecting each other anywhere, right? Then we can say that this angle would be equals to this angle. And these two angles are vertical angles or vertically opposite angles. Okay. So this means that we have more information given to us that this angle and this angle is given to us, right? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So we can say over here that the angle UQV should be equals to S, Q, and T. We can say vertical angles or vertically opposite angles. Agreed? Do we have any other information that is equal? See, we have one side and one angle given to us, right? And the properties were side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, and two angles and one side. Do we know three sides? No, we do not know three sides. Do we know two sides? We don't know two sides, but we know one angle, right? Do we know two angles and one side? We still don't. Do we know two angles and one side? We don't. So we can say that there is not enough information provided to prove the congruency of triangles. Agreed? Because one angle and one side is given to us. We should at least have two sides, one angle, two angles, one side, or three sides given to us. Agreed? Let's look at another example. Cognify, was your question answered? Or you still have a question? Please let me know. Okay. For the next question, it says, question number 10. The question number 10 tells if this is given to us, which rule explains why these triangles are congruent or not? Hi, Yusuf. What we are looking at is congruency right now, right? So what we can say over here is that the length of AF and the length of AB are equal. So we can say the length of AF is equals to the length of AB. For the second information, we can say the length of AC and AG are equal. Agreed? So we can say the length of AC is equals to the length of AG. Okay. Yusuf, let's do this together. We know that whenever we just did this information, if ever we have a formation of X, right? Whenever two lines are intersecting each other, we can say that these two angles are vertically opposite angles or vertical angles. Agreed? So can I say that this angle would be equals to this angle? So can we say BAC angle would be equals to FAG angle, and they are vertically opposite. I'm using both the terms, angles, right? So what information is given to us? If side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, and angle, angle, side. Do we have three sides given to us? No. Do we have two angles given to us? No. But we have two sides and one angle given to us, right? So we can say, we can use side angle side theorem to prove that these two triangles are congruent to each other. Agreed? That means this could be the theorem. Okay, let's have a look at another example. Okay, sorry. Let's try some more. Okay, let's try one more question, then we'll do the test. which rule will explain to us that whether these two triangles are congruent to each other or they are not? If they are, which rule? Okay. Question number 11. In question number 11, it says that the angle given over here equals to this angle. So we can say the angle GFB is equals to BFC. Do we have any other information? Yusuf, help me out. Yusuf, what are the possible? Cognify, do we have any other information provided? See, we know that one angle was already given to us, right? And we have properties over here: side, 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 angle, side, angle, and angle, side. We need to have at least three things given to us. Okay. Can we say that any side is equal? Can we say BF, the length of BF is the common length? So can we say BF is the common length to both the length, common side to both the shapes, right? So how much information do we have now? We have one angle and we have one side. If we have one angle, one side, we cannot apply three sides. We cannot apply two sides. We cannot apply two angles one side, or we cannot apply two angles one side, right? So what we can say is there is not enough information provided to prove the congruency, right? So we cannot tell whether these two triangles are congruent or not, unless and until they would have said that these two angles are same, then it would be congruent, right? Otherwise, we cannot say that these two triangles are congruent or not, because we don't know that if the angle G and angle C are equal or not. If angle G and C were equal, then automatically the angle at B would be also be equal, right? Okay, let's try some questions from the test. Let's begin. Just a moment, please. Let me go back to Maths Grade 10s, Chapter 2, Lesson number 4. And let's do the test. The first question from the test says, just a moment, it's loading, I'll copy. Sometimes it takes a minute or two to load the test. Hi, Job. It's not showing the test. Okay. I'll just continue with the question, okay? Till it loads, I'll just use this. We'll make up our, oh yes, the question, the screen is there. And they're saying, which rule explains why these triangles are congruent? Let's reuse this. Okay. The first one was SAS, and the last one was, we have 5 options over here, right? Either we can have side, 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 side angle, side. Okay, let's see. This is question number 1 from the test. We have option A, B, C, D, and E. 5 options are given to us. Do we see a common side? We say we have a common side, right? That means one common side is given to us. Then we can say that this angle would be equals to this angle, right? That means one side and one angle is given to us. What else information do we have? What other information do we have? Do we have any other angle? Yes, we do. We can say that this angle was equals to this angle. That means two angles and one side is given to us. So we can say angle side angle, right? Angle side angle theorem can be used to solve this, okay? Let's try one more example. In the next question, just a moment, please. In the next question, it says, question number 2. If this is the if this is the information that has been provided to us, let's see if we can prove. It says this is the information given to us. Just a moment, please. Let me realign them so that we would have space. Okay. If this was the given question, and we've been asked whether these two triangles are congruent, and if they are congruent, by which theorem are they congruent? By which theorem are they congruent? See, we are given one angle, this is equal, right? Options A, B, C, D, and E. We have another pair of angles that is equal, and we have the third pair of angles, those were equal. So three angles are given, but no ratio or length of sides are given. Agreed? That means we cannot apply side angle side. No side is given. Angle angle side we cannot apply. We cannot apply side 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 because we don't know the length. Or we cannot even apply angle side angle because we do not know any side. That means we cannot prove these are congruent. Agreed? Because we do not have, we cannot prove they are congruent because we do not have any length given to us. Okay, please do more questions. Please do practice more questions. And if there are any concern, just go through the lesson again. Okay, thank you so much. Best of luck. Have a nice day. Take